Need to swap out that battery or give your Nikon Z30 some TLC? Here's exactly how to safely remove its battery door. First, locate the small, recessed tab or button on the edge of the battery door for the Nikon Z30. This is usually found on the side opposite the battery grip. With a fingernail or a very thin, non-metallic tool like a plastic pry tool, gently press and hold this latch. Be firm but don't force it. As you hold down the latch, you'll notice the battery door begin to slightly disengage from the camera body. It won't pop open yet, just loosen. Now, with the latch still depressed, slide the entire battery door away from the camera in the direction indicated by any arrows on the door or camera body. It moves smoothly along a track. And there you have it, the battery door is now completely removed, giving you full access to the battery compartment for easy replacement or cleaning. To close it, simply align the door with its track on the camera and slide it back into place until you hear or feel a click, confirming it's secured. Keeping your Nikon Z30 in top shape is simple when you know how to handle its components. Follow these steps, and you'll be good to go for all your shooting adventures.